Article 1400. Whenever the person obliged by the decrees of annulment to return the things cannot do so because it has been lost through through his fault, he to th- shall return the fruits received and the value of the thing at the time of the loss, with interest from the same date. If the party was minor, return of received items only if still in position. Article 401. If both parties are in bad faith, annulment is not allowed. Article 14, Article 402. Delays or partial compliance do not automatically waive the right to annul. Article 403. An enforceable contract. Entered without authority, both parties are legally incapacitated, conveyed by statute of fraud but not in writing. Statute of fraud examples. Contract not to be performed within 1 year. Sale of real property. Agreements made upon consideration of marriage. Promise to pay the debt of another. Article 1404. Unauthorized, unauthorized contract may be informed if ratified by person or entity represented. Article 1405. Contract required to be in writing under the statute of fraud are enforceable if only oral. Article 406. If only one party sign the written contract, it is still enforceable against the party. Article 1407. Contract between incapacitated person are unforceable. Article 14 Article 1408. An enforceable contract can be ratified to become valid. Chapter 9. Void inex- or inexistent contract. Void or existent contract. Cause, object, or purpose is legal. One is essential element consent object cause is missing. Absolutely simulated or fixed status. The object is outside commerce of men. Commerce of men did not comply with required form. Article 1410. Action declare a contract void prescribe no time limit. Article 411. If both parties are at fault in a legal contract, courts will not help either. Article 412. If only one party is at fault, the innocent party may recover what was given. Article 413. Excess interest paid in a unserious contract may be recovered. Article 414. If the legal act has not yet been performed, the guilty party can withdraw and recover what was given. Article 1450. 15. Capacitated person may recover what he gave if the justice requires it. Article 416. Recovery may be allowed for contract violating legal rules if not illegal per se. Article 417. Payment beyond legal maximum prices must be recovered. Article 418. Wage less than the minimum wage can be recovered by the worker. Article 1419. Workers can recover an unpaid overtime or legal wage deduction. Article 1420. In case of a divisible contract, if the illegal terms can be separated from the legal ones, the latter may be enforced. Article 1421. The defense of illegality of contract is not available to the third person whose interests are not directly affected. Article 1422. Contract resulting from a void contract are also void. Book for obligation and contract. Natural obligation. Article 1423. Distinguish number 1, civil and natural obligation. Number 2, voluntary 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 fulfillment. Number 3, undue payment distinguished from natural obligation. 4, no judicial tie in moral obligation. Number 5, other natural obligation. Number 6, conversion of moral obligation to civil obligation. Civil obligation are legally enforceable. Natural obligation are moral duties. They are not legally enforceable but become binding once voluntarily fulfilled. Article 4, Article 1424. If the legal right to sue la- to sue lapses prescription due to prescription and the debitor still voluntarily fulfills the obligation, they cannot recover what they what they delivered. Article 1425. If a third party pays a prescribed debt without the debitor's knowledge or against their will, and the debitor later voluntarily remembers them, the debitor cannot recover what they paid. Article 1426. A minor aged 18 to 21 who enters a contract without parental consent and later voluntarily returns the received item of annulment cannot reclaim what was returned even they did not if they didn't benefit. Article 1427. Parents cannot recover what their child or over 18 paid voluntarily. A minor in the same age group who voluntarily pays or delivers something under an annulled contract cannot recover if it obligation has spent it. Article 1428. If a defendant wins a civil case but later voluntarily fulfills the obligation, they cannot demand the return of what was delivered. Article 1429. If an heir pays more debt than the value of inheritance received, the payment is valid and ir- irrevocable. Article 1430. If if a will is declared void due to formal defect and her pays a legacy, state in the will after settling debts, the payment is still effective and cannot be revoked. Tayo sa Stopel. What is Stopel? An admission of representation is rendered conclusive upon the person making it cannot be denied or disproved as against the person relying the treason. It's a highly effective weapon to accomplish injustice in certain cases where without its application, an obligation or right would be without any legal support. Estoppel certificate, commonly used in mortgage and commercial real estate industries. Signed by the tenant and verify the assert claims made the, to the third party by the landlord. Kind of estoppel. Collateral estoppel. Stop litigation of an issue already decided in a prior case. 2. Equitable estoppel. Prevent someone from contradicting a prior position that another party relied on. Number 3. Promissory estoppel. Enforce a promise even without a formal contract if one party realize on it to their detriment. Other forms of estoppel. Estoppel in pays, estoppel by did, stupel by laches, stupel by silence. Stupel in pace when someone action words or even silence make another person believe something is true. The person can later deny those facts if it would harm the second person. Stupel by did. When a deed says certain things are true, the people involved in that deed can later claim different things about what the deed says. Stupel by laches. When someone waits unreasonably long time without a good reason to claim a right, it's implied that they have given up their right to enforce something. Stupel by silence. When a party has a duty to speak but remains silent, leading another party to believe certain facts exist and to act upon the belief to their detriment.